Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 505 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this A2o Spectrum Rose Quartz Blush. So this is from ShopMissA. This is the ShopMissA kind of private label brand. And so this was only $1 and it's cruelty free. And I just think that this has such cute packaging. I did already try out the rainbow highlighter from A2o, which was like a very similar looking product to this. And that was such a fun highlighter. So if you want to see my review of that, I will link that video down below. But so this has 6 different shades in it. Let me see if I can swatch them all together. I can only get a few of them. It's hard to get the bottom colors in one swipe. But it looks so pretty. It's like a stripe. Let's see if I can. So you can get a striped look, which is kind of cool. Swatch the bottom 3. Like, that's pretty impressive pigment. I feel like every color looks so pretty and they have really pretty shimmer shine to them. So like, let's see how it would look if I just mix them together. Ooh. So at the top here, you can kind of see that's like them all mixed together, which is really pretty and really shiny. So I really like how it looks together. We're gonna see how it actually looks on the cheeks, but if you wanted to just focus in on any of the certain colors or just a range of colors, you could definitely do that. So let's see, I think to start out, I'm gonna try just getting all of the colors. Ooh. Made me pick up so much product. Okay, I'm gonna try and go in with such a light hand. Yeah, this is a lot of blush. So I'm going to look a little clownish, but you know what? We're really gonna get to see the color and the formula since I'm applying so much. But wow, like this is such a pretty shade. It's like a very natural Sunkissed shade. And I'm just loving that healthy glow look. Like on my skin, you can see the sheen, but you don't notice any kind of glitter sparkle particles. So it has just like a really pretty, healthy looking glow to it. I love that. Like for $1, I am very impressed by this, but I also love how versatile it is. And blushes are definitely a product that I feel like you can spend very little money on to get great quality and a great look. I don't feel like I need to spend the money on high-end blushes, so this $1 version is totally good enough for me. But I would love to know in the comments down below what some of your favorite blushes are. Wow, this video was so much quicker and easier than I was expecting. Of course, like these kind of products kind of intimidate me when they just seem like, oh, how do I use it? Like, what colors do I use? But really, just mixing them all together worked great, and I'm so happy with it. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.